Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube channel banner or channel art. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. To upload your channel banner, you want to make sure you are signed in into your YouTube studio. To sign in into your YouTube studio, if this is your first time, click on your profile icon at the top right and then click on YouTube Studio. This will take you directly to your YouTube studio. On your YouTube studio dashboard, come to this section and scroll down till you find customization. Now click on customization. You're going to find layout, branding and basic info. Now click on branding. You'll be able to upload a profile picture, banner image and also a watermark for your video. If you already do have a banner image uploaded, you can remove and or change, but if you do not have one, you'll be requested to upload. Click on upload and now find the image you want to upload as your channel banner and then click on open. You can also do the same thing on mobile application. It's going to show you how the layout is going to be and then you can adjust it however you want. You can also use this to move around, adjust it till it properly fits the screen, and then once you're done, click on done and do not forget to publish. Click on publish. Once your changes have been saved, you can click on go to channel to look at your new channel banner. And then your new channel banner is going to be published on your channel. You can also click here if you want to make changes to take you directly to customization and change the image. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful content like this. Also, do not forget to share and like this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.